So hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So as you saw in the thumbnail, you might have clicked it, like seeing how that picture changed into this one. So here's the picture, the left hand side one, and this is the right hand side one. So you can see a massive difference in both of the pictures. So the left hand side one was made like about 1 year ago, and the right hand side was made recently. So you can see that the faces in both of the things are pretty different, but both represent David Villa. So you can see the right one has a good shape and a good face. I'm not saying that it's perfect, but this is the start for outline of a sketch. If you make this outlines of the sketch correctly, then you can go for shading. So let's see how to change this one into this one, and also I'll be showing you an example of another sketch. I'll be making another sketch to show you the trick how to make the sketch perfectly, how to make the outlines perfectly. So this is the sketch. So without wasting any time, let's go to the video, and do watch the video fully to get an idea of the trick. So the trick behind making the sketch into like this, into this one or like this one, is simple, and the trick itself is here, is this thing, the grid. So by using a grid, we can make the exact outline of a drawing exactly same, and we can give it the same shape as per the reference drawing. So I'll be explaining this trick in like 4 steps, and I'll be explaining it completely from how to use the grid, how to edit the image, and also I'll be showing you this sketch, the sketch drawing. So let's go to step number 1. So we have to make the image in such a way that it could be drawn easily, and for that what you have to go to, first you have to go to the Playstore. So open your Playstore and download the app Pencil Sketch. So like this, there are many apps. So what we have to do is just download this app Pencil Sketch, because I use it, so I'm saying that. So I've already downloaded. So now just open the app and select the image, select the reference image that you want to edit. So I'm going to edit the MS Dhoni image. So I'm selecting the MS Dhoni image and I'm just clicking. Now you will see that there's a sketch option. Click that and click the button. So the image will be in a sketch mode. Now save it, and after saving it, what you have to do is open the piscart app. So piscart is a good app for editing images, as you all know. So open the piscart app, and then what you have to do is select the image that you created now, and then you have to give add photo, and then you have to select the grid PNG. So this grid PNG, you will get it anywhere in Google. You can get any size of grid. So select the grid PNG and then set it as per the photo. Set it on the photo in the required dimension. So here you can see that I am setting it on the face, so that the face could be drawn clearly, and then just save the image. So now the image is ready to be drawn. So let's go to step number 2. So after editing the photo, now let's go and draw the sketch. First we saw that in the photo there was grids. So we used grid to make the photo easy to draw. So that same grid we have to draw in this A4 sheet. So we have to represent the same grid in this A4 sheet, and that grid had 24 rows and 21 columns. I'm just putting line, so it should be almost straight. And then you have to take is keep your scale and measure 21 spaces. And similarly you have to make same straight line in the below. So here you can see that I'm just turning it around, and you have to just make it in the same order. So here you can see I'm making the same spaces. So we have made both sides the same spaces. Now just join the lines. So now what you guys have to do is make the lines like horizontally. So as you can see, our grid has been completed. So now guys, we have to number the grid in the A4 sheet as per the drawing. So let's number it as fast as we can. So here this side I'm putting 24, and here I'm putting A, B, C, D. So we have numbered the grid, and so now what we have to do is we have to start the sketch. So for starting the sketch, it's just simple that what you have to do is just see the grid, see the position of everything like eyes, nose, the mouth, the hair, the face shape. You have to see everything. You have to see the shape as per the grid. You have to see it on the basis of grid. You have to see it in each grid. And when you see that in that way, and if you draw it the similar way, you will be getting the same shape throughout the A4 sheet. So without wasting any time, let's start making it. You have to check the eye position. So let's start by making the iris, this part. So you have to see the position of this. So in this way, in horizontal way, it's in the 10th row, and it is in the E column. So similarly, you have to choose the E column and the 10th row, and so here you will start the work. So you have to draw each part by seeing the reference photo. Just draw the outlines of each part by seeing the reference photo, and then what you have to do is, after drawing the outlines, you have to erase the grid in that particular portion so that the image looks clean. And after doing so, you can see that there are some places where there are light shades and dark shades together. So nothing worry. So just apply a little bit less pressure in that place. You don't have to change the pencil for that. So apply a little bit less pressure and you will get the same shade. So as you can see, this drawing took me of almost 1 hour to make, and the shape is pretty good. It looks exactly like MS Dhoni. So use this method and improve your outlines and start your sketching journey. So we are all in lockdown, so use this technique and give a gift to your mom or dad or your loved ones so that they will be impressed by your sketching too. So this is a technique for the beginners. So try this technique, check it out, and you will see your results improving. So after this, we will see shading and all. So here you can see that this is the final picture. So the outlines are pretty good using this method, and it looks like Dhoni. So other techniques like shading, realistic drawings will be seen in the upcoming tutorials. So as a beginner, try this technique and comment me how did it work for you. So if you like the video, give it a like, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And until next time, see you later. Bye bye.